Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of my YouTube channel, which focuses heavily on modifying transporters, or at least tidying them up, making them a little bit more special. Here today I've got a very special episode for you. We're going all the way to sunny Telford today, this glorious weather, to pick up some seats that I have won on eBay. So we're heading over there today. It's a 280-mile round trip, but it'd be so worth it. So stay tuned, keep watching to see how we're going to fit these new ones and replace the old ones in my T5. Let's go. So I've just come back from the drive, 280-mile round trip, but it is definitely worth it because look what I've ended up with, these bad boys. These are excellent, these are in really good condition. I've kept my eye on these for a little while. I was waiting for the price to just hit that sweet spot, and they have. They need a bit of a clean. The headrests are still in shrink wrap. They actually were on a pallet when I went to collect them this afternoon. So I've had to just disassemble everything and put it all in the back of the van. So the next step is to take out the bulkhead, because it's going to be a lot easier to remove the passenger seat with the bulkhead removed. As you've seen in my previous video, I've actually removed the driver's seat to fit the armrests. Super simple, but as we're moving the bulkhead, we might as well remove everything out through the rear of the van. The old seats are going to appear on eBay. I'm so glad I'm getting rid of these. They're just covered in marks. They're definitely in need of either some TLC, but in this case they're being removed and swapped out for these new ones. So we're going to tidy everything up, get the old ones out, clean them up, take some photos, and the new ones are going to be cleaned up as well, ready to go in the van. So far we've had to stop just to disconnect all these cables and to make sure we can remember exactly where they go back, because we'll be reinstalling and reconnecting these cables into the new seat once it's all done. So just doing this for the time being, tidying it all up, getting it ready, clearing out all the junk, and then once these seats are removed, the floor will be getting a good clean before the new seats go in. Pretty much wrapped things up. We have installed, my stepdad and I have installed these amazing seats that look so good, and it's taken us about an hour and 20 minutes. I don't know how much of the time lapse you saw. Amazing, really do love them. They just really finished off the van, give it that much more luxurious look to the van, and it looks way more premium. We've cleaned everything down. I've got the old ones in the back ready to sell. Yeah, if you've got any questions, feel free to ask me far away in the comment section below. And again, if you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next mod. Take care.